in the middle of nowhere. I am the guy that lives in the middle of nowhere. And today is another Christmas day for the Mustang. So I have a shitload of parts coming in. And I got a shitload of parts coming in that came in. Oh look, air pockets. Don't need that shit. Don't need that shit. Don't need that shit. Alright. Ooh. Well. So, got a big list. This one is just my alternator. Bam. And my starter. So that won't go on until later. Holy shit. And look what one I got. The fucking 06 Mustang. I think that's an 06. A 427. So, that's the new magnet. And I'm doing a video on the 69 Mustang. Alright, so that's those two. Alternator and starter. Light switch. So here we have a problem. That's my address. I'm trying to cover it up. This is the shit I got. Like, it is fucking, I'm not impressed. Because I'm looking inside, there's boxes that are fucked up. So, I'm just gonna cut it open and try to get it out there. I'm just gonna cover my address because nobody gives a fuck. Look at the fucking damage. Like, this has been bashed around. So if I have any issues, because this is my fucking water pump, I see. Look for any damage. Looks good. Okay. What's this? Made in Taiwan. Mali Originals. What do we got here? Well, I don't know. So, let's just do it quick. I think today's video might just be one of these. Head bolts. Alright. And that's what these are. I got two. Fuck's sakes, man. Yeah, I'll be reporting this shit, cause that's unacceptable. I just spent fucking over $1,000 on this order. Yeah, but you can get that thing. Supper time. So that's from GMB. Look, more air pocket stuff. Alright. So, this is another one. So I have a radiator, water pump, cylinder head bolts. I have 2 packs. My alternator. Okay. So I have a shitload of these. These are rocker arms. So I should have 16 of these. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and 16. So, you see some of the boxes are bashed up and shit. I'll check over for real damage and all that stuff. Hey, look, paper, it's ready. Alright, that's it for that box. Water pump. Oh, I like Christmas. So, yeah, you heard me say radiator. Yellow way dog. What that big box is?
I don't know, I'm curious.
Says radiator. My wife is already opening my other box. Crazy.
No. I read the label.
Oh, the label. Alright. don't care for the box. I care for her. Rad. That is awesome. Hey, wife, come on.
Yeah, sorry.
Grab this box.
Ow.
My coat. Alright.
Wow, that stinks bad.
What do you think? A rad's supposed to smell good? Look at that. Are they supposed to paint this better? I'm thinking they did. Because you look at the angle, I don't know if it
Yeah, but
sees
you're
it.
not really going to see it. So I wouldn't really worry about it.
No, it stops it from rusting. That's what I'm talking about.
Oh.
Okay. Oh. I hear bird shit in there. Right, but it is all there. So that looks like a real cheap, pathetic overflow valve. Or, overflow, and this one. What the hell is in this? I'm looking for gasket kits and stuff. So, you gotta be careful with cutting. Turn that down a bit. Alright.
Our kitchen is a disaster zone.
Yes, I will fix the disaster zone. Oh look, more air bubbles. It is just more air bubbles. Oh. Alright, so there's my shit, thermostat housing gasket. Big boat. There's a flexible radiator hose gasket. This should be, oh cool, exhaust manifold gaskets. We've got a couple rings, that's for the whatever the downpipes that go from the exhaust manifolds. Good. I thought these came in sets, but I was lucky. I chose right. They come as singles. So Velcro, my heavy duty head gaskets. Valve cover gaskets. Okay, what the fuck are these?
Okay.
Manifold set gaskets, because that's my exhaust manifold. And that is my oil pan. Rest, more bubble shit. Oh my god. Oh, and I got another magnet.
Perfect.
I don't own that one. Bam. Old Plymouth. So, just because now I don't really know what's in this, I want to know. Now I have to know. Jesus Christ, woman!
Sorry.
Seriously.
Sorry!
You're not sorry because you're doing it purposely. You purposely stepped on that.
No, actually I didn't.
Nope.
You
I
should.
stepped- no. Shut up. Alright. What the hell is this? Ah! Intake manifold. There we go. So, that's today. So, I can completely, technically rebuild the whole engine right now. But the problem is, okay, that's that. So I'm still missing my ignition locks. It says I'm missing the radiator. No, I'm missing oil filters. My cooling fan, controller, the actual thermostat housing. Yep. I have the gasket, but it's not the housing. Another bypass hose, and another radiator hose. The fuck? Am I missing the radiator hose? I think I am. Yep. So the upper rad hose, that's the lower. So that's all I'm after. Alright, and, wow. Talk about fucking Christmas, right? That means I can start ripping and tearing apart the rest of the engine. So I don't want rust to get in there. So, intake manifold gaskets go back in. Some of them are heavy duty. Just No, I'm not going all performance-wise, but it's not bad. So I am the guy from middle of nowhere. That's the wife over there. And like, subscribe, comment. Does parts. Awesome. There's a stack of shit to do. I can finish putting the rockers on the... oh wait, no. I have to put the heads on first. Yeah. Pork chops. Hey, Saf. Good puppy. Sit. Hey. Good girl. Alright, so yeah, like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you want to see. What you'd like to see first. Probably be all done before all that happens, but like always, have a good one.